if you are looking for the multi-vendor marketplace solution, so definitely you want a marketplace like Amazon and Flipkart. I will tell you, we already have the solution like Amazon, and there are a lot of features we already built in our system. So you will focus on the marketing, not on the technical stuff. Okay, everything, every technical detail that you need in your multi-vendor marketplace is already there. So in this video I am going to explain you everything one by one. There I will cover 12 important key points that you should know about your multi-vendor marketplace. Then only your entire business will work smoothly. You don't need to worry about anything. At the end of the video, I am also going to share the pricing plan, how we are providing this multi-vendor marketplace. So we have the custom plans, we have the 3 different plans, so that I will cover in this video as well. And there are some free bonus which we are giving to our customer. Bonus are for the marketing, because from the technical side you don't need anything extra. Okay, already everything is covered. If you need some customization, so that is also available, so that we can talk in personal. So the bonus are for the marketing, because setting up the website and technical stuffs, everything is cared by us. Okay, so you have to just kick start your marketing. Just go to the market and start promoting your products, your platforms, and onboard the sellers on marketplace, so that you can generate the sale very quickly. So everything I am going to cover in this video. So let's get started. If you want a multi-vendor marketplace like Amazon or Flipkart, so you definitely know that the Amazon will charge you on the category wise. So if your product is in electronics category, so the Amazon will charge a commission of 1 or 2%. If it is in home product or home furniture, so the commission is 4 to 5%. Okay, is vary according to categories. Okay, so same feature is also available in our multi-vendor marketplace. Our multi-vendor marketplace is not a vanilla marketplace where you will just see all the basic details, but we have the custom features, custom options, and every detail is covered in this marketplace. For the category wise commission, there is one more important thing, is the GST, because GST will applicable on the category. So right now I am going to create one simple parent category. Okay, so you can just name it like furniture. Okay, so there you can see the commission I will charge 4%, and furniture category, suppose the GST percent is 5, so you can write the 5%. Okay, so it is that simple, is it? And next time whenever a seller will upload a product in furniture category, automatically 4% commission and the 5% GST will be applicable on his product. So from the seller side, he can easily upload their product without worry about the GST percentage, whether he applied 10% or 12%. Admin will take care of these things. Okay, SEO, meta tag, meta description, integration with the Facebook, Google Analytics, it is very important, because if your website cannot rank on the Google, so you it is very tough for you to generate the sales. So we are giving the assurance that your website SEO score will be 90 plus. As an admin, you can add meta tag, meta description very easily. Okay, so if I will go to the manage product, so meta tag, meta description, these things will be managed by the admin, because we don't need to bother the vendor to upload all these things, and they usually don't know about this thing. And other integration is also available, Facebook integration, Google Analytics integration. And one more important point here is the Microsoft Clarity. If you don't know about the Microsoft Clarity, I will tell you, you can track your user, your visitors behavior on your website very easily. The Microsoft Clarity will give you entire picture, entire recording of your website, what the visitor or what your user is doing on your website, where he is clicking, is it buying the product or not. Okay, every heat map he will provide you as a video format. So Microsoft Clarity feature is also we are providing. Now the next point is the guest checkout. Okay, if you go to the website, so just take a look at our website. The website is very mobile responsive. Okay, and it is very fast, so you can so user can order a product within a minute. So user will never bore, and he will find all the option very easily in our website, and order checkout will be complete within a minute. So as you can see, the website is very simple, and there, if you go to the fashion category, So these are the products. Right now there is a limited product because it is a dummy admin panel, and the filter is working very fine. So you can see the filter is working very smoothly. There you can filter by size, filter by brand, also you can filter by the price range as well, rating. So everything is available there. Okay, so if I will go to this product detail page, you can find all the details like brand name, product name. Okay, configuration which affect the price as well. Okay, so right now for this product, price is same for the every configuration, otherwise you can see the price change. Okay, we are also providing a pin code based delivery. Okay, so user can check whether the product is available in their city or not. Okay, and these are the advanced features, the product specification. In some other multi-vendor marketplace you won't find this type of features where you can create a table, color is red, brand is this one, something like that. Okay, and also the product full description. This is a general feature, but this specification you won't find in all the marketplaces. And user can easily see the return policy. Okay, and other feature that you can see in the marketplace is upsell product and the related product. These are the upsell products. Right now in dummy admin panel there is limited product. From the admin panel and also from the vendor panel you can select the related product and upsell product. Okay, so that way you can promote your more product to the customer. The next important feature is shipping API integration also available. Based on the pin code, automatically delivery charge will be calculated. Okay, whenever someone places the order, a notification will go to the user, admin and the vendor. Seller can easily manage their order in a manage order page where he can see the status of the order, like a new order in a place status, accepted. If the seller already accepted the order, so he can see the status accepted. And there are some other steps. Okay, if the order is delivered, so you can see the orders in a deliver tab. Okay, now how the seller will process the order. So in multi-vendor there is one more important point: admin cannot process the order. Okay, all the order will be processed by seller themselves. So right now I am in admin panel, so you can see I can see the details about the product, shipping. Okay, and also the tracking. So this order has completed. Okay, this order had delivered successfully, the status is delivered. Okay, I can see the tracking details, and also I can see how this order will process. You can download the invoice as well. I will go to the seller dashboard, so you can see this is a new order. Okay, so order already accepted by the seller. Once the seller will tag the order, okay, one notification will go to the shipping company. For your information, I will tell you the ShipRocket is a very popular company, but they are not providing an integration in a multi-vendor marketplace. If you are planning to start your multi-vendor marketplace, so you have to go with other shipping companies. Okay, so I will tell you the name of the shipping company. There are two good company that you can opt. One is the Nimbus Post, second is I Think Logistic. So we are providing integration for the both. Nimbus Post is a good choice. Okay, so whenever you will place, you will update the order as a packed. The order will place on their dashboard. Next day the seller will get the call from the Nimbus Post for the pickup of the order, and entire process will go on. So there you can see, so seller can easily download the label, shipping label, that seller need to paste on the parcel. Okay, so like that the shipping label will generate. This is simple, and also seller can download the invoice. So this invoice will be downloaded very easily. Here come the important point: our GST reporting is very accurate, and we are providing proper detailing about the CGST, SGST and IGST. So there you can see the sales report. Sales report means order details, CGST, SGST calculation, net taxable amount, TCS, paid to seller, tax credit, everything is available there. You can filter by the date, filter by the status, and also you can download this report in an Excel and PDF format. Now how seller will upload the product, it is very important. So there are two important reasons why seller will join your platform. First is simple onboarding and product uploading process. Second is your platform has a good number of customers. Okay, so if you provide a good number of customer and they can upload and manage their product very easily, so then your marketplace will work very well. So seller can upload two types of product, whether he want a simple product where only MRP and sell price is there, and he can also upload the configure product. Configure product means blue t-shirt L size. blue t-shirt M size. Okay, and both the t-shirt have the different price. So these are configured product. Okay, so right now I will just create configure product, so that will be easy. So suppose t-shirt. Okay, so based on the product category, we have one very important features like pricing calculator. Suppose seller want to enter their product and he know that my price is 450. Okay, so selling price, so automatically this price calculator will display the price on the website and how much he will get if user place the order for this particular t-shirt. Okay, but you know this price is not look good in a website. So what seller can do, he can just write this like 699. Okay, so automatically his price, okay, and his profit will be displayed on this price calculator. So that way seller can easily manage the price. Now another feature is the product specification that I have shown you in this specification. How seller can create this type of specification? Based on this drop down, automatically the attributes will be pop up. If in case seller don't find any attribute related to his product, so he can create his own attributes like a manufacturing year or just like a year. So write a 224. Okay, he can create multiple attributes. So whatever he will create there, it will be visible in a website in a tabular format. Okay, so it is very simple, and this is the full description. Now come to the bottom. So seller can manage his inventory. If product go out of stocks, means user has purchased 20 quantity, so the product will automatically go out of stock. And also seller can limit the bulk quantity, means user can purchase only 2 quantity at a time, not in a bulk. Okay, so we already provided this option. And for the shipping calculation, seller need to upload the dimension of the parcel. And there are some features like if seller is creating configure product, so just select the configuration and create a table. So automatically this table will create. So seller can apply the pricing right now. Sorry, suppose the pricing is 800. Okay, now so just apply the pricing. So automatically all the input field will fill up, and seller can upload the image, custom images for each configuration product, and also the stock price like that. And there are some options like upload video, photo galleries, multiple photo galleries user can create, and some other option like related product and upsell products. So this is very important and this is very simple process to upload a product, and seller can update the inventory. So suppose seller has uploaded product, now every day he have to change the price of the product. Okay, so what seller can do, just download the sheet and upload it again. That's it. Okay, it is very simple. The next important point about this marketplace which we have developed is the auto invoice and the return process. Most of the marketplace have the very simple forward process like a place order, delivered order, and RTO. Okay, or not deliver. But the return requests are also very important in a system where user can return the product. Okay, and then seller can accept the product very easily, and he can also deny the product if the term and condition not match. Okay, so our system is already developed in a such a way that if the return policy expires, so user cannot return the product. It is very important point to operate your multi-vendor marketplace very smooth. It is a government rule where user will get the invoice properly once he get the product. Okay, so that's why so we have integrated email and SMS notification, and automatically invoice will go to the user once the order delivered successfully. So these are the key important features that we have developed, and it is working very smoothly, so you don't need to worry about the technical stuff. Come to the pricing plan. So we are providing a 3 different pricing plan for the customer based on their budget. Okay, because to develop the multi-vendor marketplace, it is time consuming process and it takes a lot of resources. So that's why we come up with the 3 different plans. One plan is the custom development, where you have the custom requirement about your multi-vendor marketplace. You need a custom solution like a coupon code, sponsor product, refer systems, and affiliate marketing, LML system. So if you need this type of solution, so you can just contact us. Okay, so we have to discuss, we will do the meeting, and after meeting I can tell you the final price and the timeline. So this is one plan. Second plan is the ready-made solution plan, where we already have the ready-made multi-vendor marketplace which we can set up within a 3 days. If you are looking for a marketplace which you can kick a start and you don't need to wait for 2 or 3 months to set up a marketplace, then this is the best plan for you. Payment gateway integration, shipping API integration, email, SMS alert, SSL certificate, everything we will provide on your market, and set up your website on your own server. Okay, so domain name will be yours, hosting will be yours, we will set up everything on your server. For the pricing, just message me on the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp number you can see in the screen. Just WhatsApp me so we can discuss about the ready-made solution. Now the third plan. Suppose you are in a low budget but you want to kick start your business and you want to test your MVP model on a market whether it will work or not. We are providing a subscription based plan where you have to pay a minimum monthly fees and everything will be set up for you. Okay, so in this case the domain name will be yours, so you will use this marketplace on a subscription basis. Every integration, every feature, whatever you have seen in this video will be there. Okay, so there will be no compromise with the features, everything will be, every feature you will get, but it will be hosted on our server. You have to pay a monthly fees. So for the pricing details, just message me on WhatsApp, and there are free bonus on custom development and ready-made solution plan. So we are also providing a bonus to help you in marketing so that you can kickstart your business very easily. So the free bonus are free SSLs. We will set up the Facebook marketing ads for you. We will provide you the marketing content, Instagram reels, Instagram stories, and the some creatives for your products and the introduction about your marketplace. And also we are providing digital marketing if you want to know more about, so just message me on WhatsApp. So I hope you understand everything about the marketplace solution, what are the key important features that you should look when you are going to start your e-commerce marketplace. Okay, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, if you want to know more about any features, and if you want some customization, so just say hello on my WhatsApp number, and we will discuss about it. This is it for this video, and see you in a next video.